gratitude, and dreams of our students as they mark these important milestones in their lives. May we welcome with a round of applause our graded completer from Pioneers, Mr. Jeremy B. Marcos.
So, good evening everyone. Before I formally start, I would like to express my appreciation to our principal, Dr. Myra Grace Recalde, whose leadership has created an environment where we could all thrive despite challenges. And to our administrative staff, who have worked hard processing our requirements, organizing our events, and supporting our activities. We've made it. We've really made it. I joined ACC as a 7th grader. My heart filled with uncertainty. I didn't know if I would excel. I didn't know if I would belong. I had essentially no clue on how to navigate and survive in this new environment. I struggled to socialize and had a lot of embarrassing moments in the process. 8th grade was better, but not by much. I learned to be a bit more quirky and playful, but I kept being reserved at most times. My 9th grade and 10th grade journey was where I would say I became more authentic, doing, saying, and acting true to myself. My time at ACC taught me lessons beyond academics. It taught me that I'm more than just a smart kid. I am that academic achiever who isn't afraid to express my emotions, speak my mind, and serve excellence. This personal growth wouldn't be realized if not for the peers and mentors along the way. First of all, thank you, Lord, for guiding me always. To all my grade 7 growth mindset, grade 8 discipline, grade 9 day card, and grade 10 pioneer peeps, thank you from the top to the bottom of my heart, mind, body, and soul. And to those that I got close with at some point, Rain, Isa, Zai, Ada, and my pioneer score. To my previous teachers, Ma'am Cherry, Ma'am Fred, Ma'am Glenda, Sir Argel, and Ma'am Patty. Thank you for being considerate and supportive. And of course, to my family. This is a bit personal, but me and my dad recently argued. It was because he noticed that I wasn't as close and loving to them unlike when I was a child. I admit, as my junior high school journey started, I had also slowly drifted away from them. I'm sorry, Mad Mom. But I will say, everything that I have done was to show na malakas ako. Lahat ng pagkakataon na tinabi ko sa sarili ko yung mga problema ko. Napakiramdam ko, hindi ko na kaya, I toughened up. Because I did not want to make you guys worry. Gusto ko kasing may pakita na kaya ko na. Hindi nyo na ako kailangang i-baby. Malaki na si TJ. But I realized that maturing doesn't mean that I have to carry things all by myself. Thank you, Mom, for being the breadwinner of our family and for always providing. And thank you, Dad, for taking care of us sa pag-aatid at sa pagsusundo and doing everything to make sure that we're comfortable. As I end, I'd like to remind you all of one thing. I'm Jeremy B. Marcos. At ako lang naman ang best in math, best in science, best in Filipino, most cheerful, best in music, best dressed, start the night, is tarinay ng taon, at smartest. Why? This is my moment. So, graduates and completers, start your engines, because this is just the beginning of the rest of your life. Congratulations, everyone.